Hi, first graders. Today is Friday. This is the last day we'll be focusing on our oi sound. Make sure that you're really paying attention because you do have a spelling test after this. All right, this week we have talked about the oi sound. Now, there are two spellings for the sound oi. Our first one is OY, like in the word boy, and the second one is OI, like in the word noise. Now, you will usually see OY at the end of a word, and you will see OI at the beginning or in the middle of a word. So, this word is enjoy, and this word is choice. We're going to practice reading some more words with our OI sound. Okay, think, say. The word is spoil. What's the word? Change SP to S. Think, say. Soil, what's the word? Change S to F. Think, say. The word is foil, what's the word? Change F to B. Think, say. The word is boil, what's the word? Get rid of the L. Think, say. The word is boy. You'll notice that OY is now at the end of a word. When we had the word boil, OI was the spelling we used because there was an L at the end. So if it's at the end of the word, we're spelling it OY. The word is boy. What's the word? Change B to J. Think, say. The word is joy. What's the word? Add an N at the end of the word. Think, say. The word is join. What's the word? You'll notice again that we changed our spelling from OY at the end of the word to OI in the middle of the word. Join. Listen carefully. This is a tricky one. Change J to P and change N to NT. Think, say. The word is point. What's the word? All right, we're going to do some word automaticity. That means that you are going to think in your brain and then say it aloud. Ready? Think, say. Think, say. Think, say. All right, these ones have our LE at the end. Remember, it says ol, so we have ol, apple. What's the word? Same thing here. We clap our syllables. Purple, purple. Okay, think, say. The word is join. Think. The word is oil. Think, say. The word is foil. Think, say. The word is candle. We have candle. We split in between the two consonants, N and D, and then ul says ol, or sorry, LE says ol. So we have candle. What's the word? Same thing here. Split in between the consonants. We have rat, and then we have toll. The whole word is rattle. Think, say. The word is point. Think. This is z. Word is enjoys. Think, say. The word is broil. Here we have our LE again. We have table. You split it in between the vowel and the consonant. Since this part is an open syllable, which means the vowel is at the end of the syllable, then the A will say its name. So we have table. What's the word? Table. Next word, same thing here. Title. Split it the syllables. We have an open syllable here, so the I says its name. We have title. What's the word? Next word, think. Say, hoist. Think. Say, moist. Think. Say, joy. Think. Say, we have joyful. What's the word? Think. Say, think. Say, if you remember from last week, we talked about OU and OW, and they say ow. So we have ow, Next word, think. Say, the word is puzzle. Think. G is followed by E, so it says j. Word is gentle. Next word, think. Say, the word is moist. Two more, think. Say, we have sparkle. What's the word? And last word, think. This says its name. We have most. Okay, we are going to read the story called Paddle, Lucky Paddle. You are going to follow along, read what you can. Ready? Read. Lucky was a little duck that lived in the middle of a big pond. She spent her days paddling back and forth in the blue water. When she needed rest, she waddled onto the sandy bank. Then she would think about her next meal. Next page, ready? Read. One day, as she paddled across the pond, she began to think about bread. Could she bake bread? No, that was too much trouble. Could she go to the store for bread? No, she couldn't. Was there bread at home? No, there wasn't. Think about it. Why can the duck not make her own bread? And why can she not go to the store to get her own bread? What do you think? Okay, let's keep reading. There is no way to get bread, she grumbled. If you grumble, you go, Her tummy grumbled too, so her tummy's making sounds too. Next page, ready? Read. There was talking and giggling coming from the bank. Lucky paddled over to see what was going on. A picnic, she cried. When people have picnics, they have bread to eat. She felt lucky indeed. Why does she feel lucky? Let's keep reading. Ready? Read. I wish I was able to paddle faster, Lucky thought. I'll wiggle and waggle and see if that helps. I don't want the people to gobble all the bread. All I want is just a little nibble. Next page, ready? Read. Lucky flapped her wings and quacked. Look! a girl cried. It's a little duck. It has traveled far to come see us. Let's give this duck a snack. Lucky paddled closer, hoping that the nice girl would give her a little bread. Next page. Here you go. This is a little sample, the girl said as she gave Lucky some bread. If you like it, I will get more. What total luck I've had to find this picnic today, Lucky thought. She giggled as she gobbled the bread up. So she wanted bread at the beginning of the story, and she was lucky enough to find that family who was having a picnic so that she got bread. Okay, prepositions. Prepositions are what tell us where our noun is. So we have my dad is building a shelf for my room. It is for the room, the shelf. Okay. He will hang it above my bed. So we are talking about it, which is the shelf, and it is going above my bed. So above is our preposition. He worked during the night. When did he work? He worked during the night. So these connect worked and the night. He surprised me in the morning. I held it for him when he hung it. Then we put stuffed animals on the shelf. All right, that is all for our phonics PowerPoint today. You will be taking a comprehension test today, and you will also be taking a spelling test. You can either take it online or you can take it on the paper packet that you picked up this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have an awesome weekend. Bye.